In today's video, we will learn about the easiest and fastest way to book our tickets, through which you can book IRCTC tickets through Nation Express platforms by using some simple steps. First of all, put in your login ID and password. Now on home page, on Trains menu, click on Book Ticket menu. Now, train search option will be available to you. In the source box, fill in the name of the station from where you want to board the train. And in the destination box, put in the name of the station where you want to deboard. After that, select the date on which you want to travel and click on Search Trains. Do remember, as per Indian Railways, you can make a booking of 120 days prior to your travel. On the basis of the information that you have filled in, all the trains available on that route as per their timing will be shown to you. After this, as per the suitable time of your travel requirement, you can make a booking on that train. For booking, you need to click on the Book Now option. After that, you need to fill in the passenger's name, mobile number, gender and age. According to the rules of IRCTC, up to 6 passengers can travel on one PNR. If you have more than 6 passengers, you need to book another PNR. After filling in all the details, click on the Submit button. At the end, you get an option to review your booking, in which you can re-verify all the details that you had filled in during booking your ticket. Through Nation Express, you can book your tickets by 2 different modes, DSC and OTP. So did you see? In a few moments, you can book Tatkal and General ticket in 3 simple steps. You can avail this facility even without a computer and a laptop. Through Nation Express mobile app, which you can easily get from Google Play Store. On the Play Store, type Nation Express e-ticketing and install the app. Along with this, let me tell you some unique features of Nation Express mobile app. First, now Nation Express has brought IRCTC service on your smartphone. Now you can, in a smart way, anywhere, anytime, at any place, book your tickets in a few moments through OTP. Second, in the absence of laptop or a computer, anywhere, any place and at any time, you can book your Tatkal and General tickets. Third, to book Railway e-ticket, this is the most easiest, fastest, secure and the shortest procedure. Along with this, Nation Express has brought IRCTC tourism services for you and your family, through which you can book your domestic tour packages. If you love to travel and want to see country's heritage, culture and love to see different beautiful places of the world, so for you Nation Express presents IRCTC tourism services. You can get these facilities along with e-ticketing. You can book the All India Tour package from anywhere at any time. Whichever package you want to book or the package you want to search for, search it. The moment you search about it, all the packages will be presented in front of you. You can book the package as per your liking. The amazing thing about this is, you can also do group booking in this. Only in 2 steps, book your dream package. Start yourself at a new level, where through technology, quickly book your train tickets and your dream packages. For any other kind of information, inquiry and help, without any hesitation, call up on 7065 077 846.